Oop, crap. I didn't mean to do that.
A lot of dangerous stuff comes when I'm here.
I have no clue.
It's like when I make my own world, I get 3 blood moons in a row. And it's like corruption that's like extremely close to my spawn point.
That really sucks.
Yes, it does. The worms always come with bats and there's a jellyfish down there.
Making my way back up. Finally. Making some progress, at least.
Did you find those 2 heartstones? Can I have one?
Yeah, I'll give them to you when we get back to the house.
If I get back to the house. It was huge.
Sometimes your mic spouses out and it sounds like I'm talking.
Worm somewhere.
There we go.
Wow, this thing just keeps on going down. Open evil presence is watching us. We can fight Cthulhu. Oh wait, we're not even close to being ready for Cthulhu. Never mind. I feel like I found some tough ass.
I'm just trying to get the heck out of here.
What's that? That's a jelly. Wow, I found another system.
Another? Dang.
Yep, another. It's
This
just like the
world
one
is
in
just
my
full
world.
of crap.
A bit bigger. Ooh, there's gold. Gimme, 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 gimme. I think I see something red.
Red? You mean like a ruby red or something?
Nope, never mind.
That's the way we
I think if I got
came.
close to the nether, I want to start seeing lava. That's what happened in my world.
Yeah, that's what always happens. When you get to a certain level, lava's all over the place.
Good. Not close, then. Ooh, more gold.
Lucky.
What did you get for chickening out?
What do you mean chickening it out? I'm not scared, I'm just trying to get back to the house so I can get everything I need.
Oh wow, there's another system. Ooh, a heartstone.
Okay, I made it back to the dirt level, apparently.
Featherfall.
No, go away, you stupid worm.
Get that copper. Just sucks.
Stop running. Jeez.
It's mud. You want these blue fruit seeds?
No, I don't want the seeds.
Get that Featherfall potion. Yes, Featherfall. There's like a sea of water here.
A sea of water.
Bad wording. It's like a lake down here.
Oh, I'm almost to the surface. It's just getting recognizable.
I'm way down here, but honestly, I have a weird golden chest. It has nothing, of course. It has healing potion. Gesture arrows, which I guess is what you should want, but honestly, I don't care. I have 3 golden bars. 3 gold coins. Not golden bars. I have 8 of those. Get out of here, blue. More gold.
Right. Almost. Just gotta, right. Get away, jeez.
Go, look at it. Yes, get it.
Oh, sweet. Next tunnel. Almost out. Alright. Right here. Go.
Just getting lucky with all the gold.
Well, I made it to the surface because I can hear the nighttime music. I really jinxed this, didn't I? Because I really told Hadnator that I would get out when it was night. And look at what happened. Bit surprise. It's gotta run home, I guess.
I'm just trying to go all the way down here. You lose your money. If you die.
Shouldn't be too hard to run, bro. Friggin' Hermes boots.
Look at that, another cave system.
You're kidding. Seems like it's
of,
endless, right?
Yeah, it's the cave of True I don't know. Mr. McPherson. I don't know.
Whoa, okay.
Cave of something.
Come on. This is not the place. It's a checkpoint. Over. Yeah. Okay. Finally got that. That was ridiculous.